Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are doing faux locks again. I'm pretty sure I said this in the video, but this is not a tutorial. This is just kind of like me putting in the locks and you watching. If you want to see a tutorial on how I did the hair, then you have to go back to my first faux locks video where I parted my hair and I put the locks in. I showed you how I put the locks in, and yeah. Without further ado, let's get into the video and cue the intro. The hair came in this box. In this bag. I got 1, 2, 3, 4. I want to say I got 6 packs of hair, and inside the bag it comes with a crochet needle, a hand mirror, and it also comes with hair clips. This hair, I want to say, was $33 overall. 21 strands come in each pack, and they look like this. These are definitely more natural faux locks, which I'm excited for. Not too excited about the color because I wanted something other than black. I don't really like black on me, but we're gonna try it. It's 18 inches, which is a bit short for me, so I might extend them if I have enough hair, but we shall see, okay? This hair was sent to me by a company called Young Thirst Store. Really nice people. So I will check in with y'all when I am coming to put them in the front of my head. Okay, so it's about 5:37 in the morning. I'm tired. I just finished parting the front of my hair. I did the entire back. For the back of my hair, it took 1.5 packs, so there's 33 strands in the back of my head. For the front, there's 25 strands in the front of my head. Anyways, for my hair, to lay it flat at the roots, I use the Shine and Jam, the extra hold. To condition, like moisturize my hair, I use the Cantu Shea Butter leave-in conditioner, and water. And then some of them I braided, some of them I twisted. It just depended on my preference for each part. But yeah, this is not a tutorial, so if you want a tutorial, you should go back to my other locks video. I'm basically just gonna show me putting them in now. Alright, so I'm all done. This is how it looks. You'll see it, it's really short. It's 18 inches, but since I have 6 packs, I'm going to extend them. And I'm going to show y'all exactly how I extend them. Because, yeah, I don't want 18-inch hair. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to cut the loop off. This is an already, oh, you can't even see it. This is an already extended lock. So what you're gonna do after you cut the loop off is you're gonna unravel the lock, and you're gonna make sure you place it up high enough so that it doesn't come apart, like, I don't know what, so it doesn't slip off, that's what I mean. And then you're just gonna start wrapping it like you did earlier. Their little crowns. It's so cute. Okay, my hands have super glue on them, don't mind that. Look, that is so cute. Okay, wow. I love this hair store. Alright, you guys, so it's about a week later from when I said I was going to check in. I always do this, like I always say I'll check in when I'm done with the hairstyle, like done styling and everything, and then it'll be like days, weeks passing by and I still haven't sat down and like show you guys the final look. But yeah, this is the final look. I have it up in this ponytail, which I don't feel like taking out, but you guys. Yeah, I've had this hair in now for almost 2 weeks and it's holding up like a champ, okay? Yeah, I've gotten so many compliments on this hair. So like I said, I got it from Young Thrift Store. They included so many things in the package, all for about $33, I want to say. So it was 6 packs of hair. I got it in the color 1B. I don't typically go for black, but I'm glad they sent me black this time because, you know, stepping outside of my comfort zone. I'm usually I like colors in my hair, but yeah. And then I decorated it with some really pretty jewels. It's really natural looking. It makes me miss my regular locks, but my regular locks weren't this big. So yeah, make sure that y'all go check out the hair. I'll leave it in the description box down below. You guys, we are almost at 400 subscribers. That's crazy. Like, oh my goodness, we've been growing so much and I don't even know what to say. So like, thank you guys for everybody that's like actually subscribed and showed me love. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And follow me on all my social medias. They'll be in the description down below. Subscribe because you guys, I'm doing a giveaway when I hit 500 subscribers. And I'm trying to hit 500 subscribers by the end of the year, so subscribe. Stay tuned for the giveaway. I don't know what I'm giving away yet, but you know, we shall see. So yeah, that is all for this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Real talk.